Hi guys, it's Ilene here and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a very simple DIY using the white elephant that I've hauled from the Dollar Tree and some body tattoos that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you want to stick on by and see how I do this project to turn your Dollar Tree elephant into your very own one-of-a-kind elephant. If you like this video, I hope you do. Please comment down below and also give it a great big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I want to ask you to hit that bell icon so you get notified of all my future uploads to come. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to be decorating this white elephant I picked up a little while back. I've been still looking for more of them, but I only see like the rhinos and the horse. But I have this white elephant and I want to make it a little more personalized. I'm going to be using these temporary tattoos from the Dollar Tree to make my elephant a one-of-a-kind. All you need is a damp cloth and your scissors to do this project. Kind of just winging this. I don't exactly have anything specific in mind, but I'm going to start cutting up my tattoos and see how to apply them to my elephant. So I cut out my strips for this elephant design, and what I think I'm going to do is trim these slightly on the sides, and I'm going to put it down the back of the elephant. So we're going to try that right now. Okay, so the first step is obviously we need to remove this plastic piece that's on top of the tattoo. You're going to put the right side down where you want to apply it for your project. And you're going to hold a damp cloth for 30 seconds. At first I was going to use this pink strip, however I forgot to remove that plastic top coating, and when I went to put it on, I basically tattooed my tattoo to the clear plastic. So when you guys do this, make sure to remove this piece before applying it to your project. Cutting my tattoos in the size that I would want them, just randomly placing them around my elephant. Alright, so I'm now cutting out the eyes for my elephant, and I don't really like these black spots around my tattoo, so I'm just going to cut them out. Simple as that. You can tailor this project however you want to make it the style you want. It's really a lot of fun, and you get to just be creative, and it's going to make you a one-of-a-kind elephant. Nobody can make just like yours. Again, don't forget, take that little plastic film off the top. And then I'm going to place it down where I want to put my eye. It says about 30 seconds. If you don't do it long enough, the thing is the tattoo doesn't fully adhere to your item. So you want to give it that time it takes and be a little patient so that the tattoo doesn't get messed up. But if it does get messed up, I tell you that if you use a little bit of nail polish remover, it does come off. So that's the good news. Sometimes you just tap it into place, and there's one eye. Now I'm going to do the other eye. Alright, so my elephant is just about done. I think that it needs one more final touch going across here. I have now cut my last strip of tattoo, and I'm going to apply that to the top of my elephant head. And the other final touch that I have is these tiny little adorable gems. And these I actually purchased from Michael's, and I've had them on hand, so I'm going to add a gem or so. So I did decide to dig up some of these old pearls I had on hand to add them to my elephant decor. We are almost done. I did add that little gem in the back, and I really think the back looks beautiful. And now I'm just going to add a few pearls right around here just to give it that final finished touch. I decided to put the hot glue directly on the elephant and then put the pearl on because it was just too hard to hold the pearl and get it into place. My one-of-a-kind Dollar Tree elephant is now formed to my own. I used these beautiful tattoos and some gems and pearls that I had on hand to make it one of a kind. So if you guys like DIYs like this one, please give this video a great big thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of my future uploads to come. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY, and stay tuned for more. I will see you soon. Bye.